Now, most of you already know that, of course, Nio was planning to start with the deliveries of the Nio EC7 mid-May. And now, ladies and gents, today we read wonderful news, or we received wonderful news saying that Nio has finally started or has begun with the deliveries of the EC7 ahead of schedule. This is something that is incredible because from the deliveries of April, ladies and gents, we are going to see Nio starting, or we are going to start seeing Nio including the EC7 deliveries, which is something that is incredible because this is one of the models that it is expected to do very well in terms of deliveries, and to get to finally see it start with the deliveries makes me to be really excited. Otherwise, before we forget, also you already know that this video is just an entertainment video and not a professional financial advice video, and I would really appreciate if you can just hit the likes button if you do enjoy the content that I'm giving you about Nio officially starting with the deliveries of the Nio EC7. So please do watch this video until the end, because I believe that those people that were panicking when we look at the Nio deliveries are definitely going to find, of course, their mind at ease after knowing what Nio just started today, and that is, of course, starting with the deliveries of the Nio EC7. So I would really appreciate if you can just hit the likes button, as it also helps with YouTube's algorithm. Otherwise, if you have not subscribed to the channel, I'll also appreciate if you can just hit that subscribe button and make sure that you hit that notification bell, so that at least you get notified by YouTube every time I drop a new content. So yes, Nio officially started with the deliveries of the EC7, and these, ladies and gents, it is one thing that is going to boost their deliveries, because the EC7, you will know that it is a car that is quite a beauty, because this is a coupe SUV that Nio currently sell, and what makes it different from the previous coupe, that is the EC6, is that it has got a tailgate or a spoiler at the back, which makes it to be even more beautiful. So this is a car that Nio was planning to start with the deliveries mid-May, and boy, today we found out, or we just read wonderful news of saying that Nio officially started with the deliveries of this car, which is something that is incredible, and it makes me to be really excited, because I know that the Nio deliveries are going to be boosted. I know that we are going to see, of course, Nio starting to count the deliveries of this EC7. So I was very excited to finally get to see that Nio is ahead of schedule, which makes me want to think that even for the models that are expected to start, or the models that Nio expects to start with the deliveries, we might get Nio once again becoming ahead of schedule and start to deliver that model probably mid-May. Who knows? Or immediately after they do an official launch of the Nio ES6. So same goes with the ES8. You might find that Nio starts with the deliveries of that model maybe before June, which I'm not even surprised by this, because you will know that Nio, I think as it stands, they are under pressure to deliver as many vehicles as possible, because their target for the year 2023, most of you will know that, is to deliver 250,000 deliveries. So I'm very excited, and I cannot wait to see the deliveries that Nio is going to produce already for the month of April, especially with the EC7. I know that it's probably already too late, but because it's probably today and tomorrow, or the deliveries that Nio is going to cater for the month of April is just the deliveries for today and tomorrow. So I'm hoping that we get a few hundreds of these EC7 deliveries being counted on the April deliveries, which, by the way, are due this coming Monday. So I was very excited, ladies and gents, like I said, to get to see that Nio officially started with the deliveries of this EC7, and I'm hoping that they can of course, or also become ahead of schedule even in the other models which they are still to deliver, or start with the deliveries this year, like the EC6, the ES6, the ES8, and the ET5 station wagon or shooting brake. So I personally would like Nio to be ahead of schedule in all of their models, because that will definitely revive their deliveries. Otherwise, with all that, guys, I just thought I'd just give you this quick update. Like I said in the beginning of this video, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and subscribe. And once you subscribe, don't forget to hit or click the notification bell so that at least you get notified by YouTube every time I drop a new content. Otherwise, that's all from me, and I wish you nothing but the best in your stock market investing journey. And before you load the boat, increase your holdings onto a stock like Nio, please do make sure that you do your own due diligence. But one thing for sure is that those that are investing onto Nio, this is good news to see Nio becoming ahead of schedule when it comes to the EC7 delivery. So please do make sure that you do your own due diligence before you panic sell, because you will know that as it stands, Nio, it is a stock that is trading towards its 52-week low, and this is one of the thing, or it is one thing that is making a lot of retail investors to panic. Whereas, as per my yesterday's video, we are seeing institutional investors or institutions remaining solid onto this new stock. So before you press that sell, please do make sure that you do your own due diligence. Otherwise, that's all from me, and I wish you nothing but the best in your stock market investing journey. And God bless you all.